Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is the SE model, two-tone paint scheme with ABS brakes. It's got the black and blue, really cool, and the best thing is only 507 miles. Showroom condition with a little windscreen. Come on by. Make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by, get this fuel-injected twin cylinder. Check us out on the web, www.ContraCostaPowersports, where we have up to 40 to 50 clean used bikes. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.